Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Muddy Feet Fishing. Today we're kayaking on Eagle Creek and I'm just fishing for pretty much whatever now. I've been fishing for like 3 hours now and I kind of forgot to record an intro when I got here, so kind of doing this a little late. But this video, I start just going for like crappies and panfish, but I've been catching all sorts of stuff. You'll see it. There's one catch that I'm still kind of confused how it worked out, but yeah, enjoy the video. Oh dang. Second bluegill this morning. They're fighting hard, but not what we're looking for. Another little bluegill. Dang, another bluegill. Alright, now we're going to try fishing with an electric chicken joker, 2-inch joker by Mr. Crappie. It's got crappie in the name, it's got to catch him. I wonder if carp are catchable while they're spawning. I'd imagine they're hungry. Well, of course, I was dumb and turned off the camera to charge it for a bit, but... Oh, where is he? We got our goal. I caught a crappie on an artificial... I'm sure it's tipped with the crappie nibble, but that's a nice little crappie. I mean, probably just under keeping size. I mean, there's not really a limit or minimum, but you want them a little bit bigger than that just to get some more meat, but that's a nice... black crappie I caught off the stump out here, so yeah, got one. The sun's kind of starting to poke out above the trees. That's a bluegill. Something else. Oh my god, what is this? Is it a bass? Oh, it's a cat, I think. Oh my god, it's right against the tree. If you went under it, don't break off, don't break off, don't break off. Oh my god. Horse, let me get him out of here a little bit. Oh my god, it's a carp! Oh my god! It's a carp on that crappie nibble and jig. Oh my god! Wow! Wow! Did not think that's what this was. I'm actually shocked right now. Okay, stay out of the logs, please. Oh my god, the carp spawn is crazy. I'm not even getting any of this on video because this stupid boat keeps spinning. Oh my god. Ultralight carping, the way to go. Dude, I'm just trying to catch some, crappies. Oh my God. Did not like that. He's hooked pretty good, so we don't have to worry. Just gotta tire him out. Oh my God. Wow. That is so cool. He's still going. I swear, I can only catch weird fish on this rod. I catch an 8-pound catfish first day I have it, and I'm getting a carp on this stupid crappie jig and crappie nibbles. They'll catch anything. Look at this thing. All right, well, you just watched me fight this thing. I caught a carp. I'm not gonna bother weighing it. The scales weigh in the front of the boat. I mean, it's probably about 2 or 3 pounder. But it's this stupid little crappie jig and crappie nibble combo. I mean, there's carp spawning everywhere, and I guess they're hungry, but like, I mean, it's a pretty nice carp. I mean, he's not huge, I mean, but still pretty carp. Big tail, huge tail, some orange there, and just a very nice looking carp. Good fight, very good fight on ultralight tackle. I thought it was a catfish at first. All right, we're gonna put this guy back if he doesn't flop in the water. That's a nice carp caught on a little crappie jig and crappie nibble combo. What if we got another one right here in the same spot? Oh my God. I didn't. Did I? I think I. Oh my God! I caught a catfish now. I don't believe it. That is 2 species and 2 casts that are like. I just caught 2 trash fish on a crappie jig. Well, I don't consider them trash fish, but a lot of people consider these trash fish. I just caught a carp and a catfish on an artificial lure. 1 cast after another. Okay, maybe there's like, I made like 1 or 2 casts in that spot, but I really don't know what to think now. I am like at a loss for words right now. I mean, yeah, it's probably one of the smaller catfish I've caught here, period. But still, that's a catfish on an artificial. That was so cool to see. I thought it was another carp for a second. Then he gave up a little quicker, but still. All right, we're gonna put this guy back. I don't want him to spine me. A lot of like fishing things don't really get to me except for like big fish. But a carp followed by a little catfish on this crappie jig is ridiculous to me. I cannot explain what's going on right now. I think it's just a bluegill, yeah. Oh, he grabbed it pretty hard. Alright, well, I'm kind of banging against the log right now, but this should prove that, oh my God, that the catfish is not an accidental catch. I got me another one off the same log jam. He's a little smaller than the last one, still put up a good fight. Just cool seeing little catfish, especially on artificials. 3rd catfish on an artificial is heater. So just sitting back. Well, we got another catfish. I still got my GoPro charging, so I'm doing it this way. Alright. There we go. There's a lot more wind now. I'm really getting thrown into the bank, but we've just been working our way. Where I launched was just past that point out there. We worked our way around, and I caught all kinds of stuff. Got the 4th catfish right here, I think. It might be the 5th one, honestly, at this point. Things look pretty good, but yeah, not the biggest one, but no cat either way. Oh, he's got this weird spot where it looks like he got bit or something. It's healing over, but look at that. Nice cat.